holiday outfit ideas, and I'm giving you 3 outfit ideas what you can wear on Christmas, to Christmas parties, to New Year's Eve party, and all that holiday stuff and holiday themed outfit styles. So I'm really hoping that you enjoyed that, and let's hop right into the video.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle, 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 jingle bell. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one hole. Go, 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 go. Well, go, 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 go. Jingle bell.
When the sun goes down, we don't waste no precious time. All my friends in the loop, making up for teenage crime. We don't sleep when the sun goes down, we don't waste no precious time. All my friends in the loop, making up for teenage crime.
Everywhere, fruits and herrings, dykes and ferries. Tell me where it's empty. Tax the rich, feed the poor, till there are never rich no more.
Click the subscribe button below, and if you want to see more Christmas and New Year's Eve themed and winter themed videos, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm hoping to see you in my next video. Bye!